Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea on an induction surface. First, gather your essentials: your favorite tea, fresh water, and an induction-ready kettle. Place your induction cooktop on a stable, flat surface, ensuring it's clean. Measure approximately 250 milliliters of cold water for each serving you plan to make, as this is a good standard for a single cup. Next, position your kettle directly in the center of the induction heating zone. Turn on your induction cooktop and select a medium-high heat setting. Induction heating is very efficient, so water will heat quickly. Watch for small bubbles forming at the bottom of the kettle, which signals the water is approaching the ideal temperature for brewing most teas. Once your water is hot, carefully pour it over your tea leaves or tea bag in your cup. For most black or herbal teas, steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Green teas often require a shorter steeping time, around 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to remove the tea leaves or bag promptly to avoid a bitter taste and enjoy a perfectly brewed cup. Finally, personalize your tea with additions like milk, sugar, or a slice of lemon to suit your taste. After enjoying your delicious tea, allow the induction surface to cool completely before wiping it clean. For more great tips and to explore new worlds, check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.